Artificial intelligence is racing through corporate infrastructure at a breakneck pace. Companies are rushing to deploy new models and automate workflows, but that speed creates a severe blind spot. Teams are deploying tools that process sensitive data and make critical decisions, often without mapping out the ethical responsibilities or preparing for the wave of regulatory scrutiny that follows. On the left is a traditional quality management system, like ISO 9001, built for linear, predictable processes. When you try to force that rigid flowchart onto the dense, nonlinear neural network of an AI system on the right, it simply breaks down. The tools designed to manage predictable inputs cannot govern a black box. Organizations running these models without a specialized safety net are taking on massive legal and operational liabilities. A single biased algorithm or data leak can trigger severe compliance penalties, damage brand trust, and disrupt core business operations. This leaves risk and compliance professionals in an impossible position. They are tasked with securing and governing incredibly complex systems, yet they have been operating without a recognized, standardized framework to actually measure or manage that risk. You cannot control a continuously learning, evolving model with a static, outdated corporate policy document. The technology moves too fast, and rigid rules become obsolete the moment a model updates. Unchecked AI deployment creates a systemic legal and operational vulnerability that threatens the survival of the entire organization. To replace that vulnerability with structure, the international community developed ISO/IEC 42001-2023. This is the world's first international standard designed specifically to establish, implement, and improve an artificial intelligence management system, or AIMS. The core philosophy here is to replace theoretical guessing and fragmented policies with a cohesive, structured approach to governance. It provides exact mechanisms to monitor and control how AI operates within your specific business context. Instead of scrambling to react every time an algorithm produces an unexpected result, organizations gain a standardized method to audit their systems, trace decision-making, and ensure ongoing compliance. Implementing an AIMS takes the overwhelming, abstract threat of artificial intelligence and breaks it down into standard, manageable, and highly auditable daily business processes. Armed with these assessments, internal auditors have a clear metric to evaluate performance. They can actively spot nonconformities, track compliance drift, and isolate issues long before they escalate into public liabilities. By adopting this architecture, governance professionals finally have the precise tools required to systematically close the vulnerability gaps in any corporate AI strategy. As AI integration expands across every sector, simply deploying the technology is no longer enough. Organizations must now definitively prove to regulators, clients, and partners that their systems are safe and reliable. A full implementation shifts a company's posture from constantly reacting to the latest algorithmic emergency to proactively managing its technological capabilities. AI system impact assessments integrate responsible practices directly into every department, ensuring engineering, legal, marketing, and executive leadership operate from a single, unified governance standard. Internal auditors, compliance officers, and external consultants are the crucial drivers of this transition. They are the ones who will build these systems, guide management reviews, and prepare the entire enterprise for rigorous external audits. To lead this effort, those professionals need specific, actionable knowledge. The immediate next step is to acquire targeted training to master the 10 clauses of ISO 42001, learn how to perform accurate gap analyses, and build real-world governance skills. Mastering this standard gives you the clarity and the practical foundation to move an organization past the initial hype of artificial intelligence and anchor it in a compliant, secure, and legally defensible future.